tomorrow.
UMLA ke Nongpoh ubak Merelbon Siem, ula Pynbna ia ke Jingiaid Shaphrang Jong ke Projek Shna Surok Nongpoh-Umden-Sonapur. Kabatmu ban ai jingmentoi kishi spak sanpo hadu ar spak teli kishnong. Ubak Siem ula pentikna baka benta ke beningkong ke bekentup ia ke Jingiaid ke ba arpo kilometer nadu Nongpoh hadu Umden. Kalayo ia ke jingmenjur Jong ke bor ke baya dekmi bat ke jing penmang ke ba saupo kendai pon sanpo lai kelur tingka hapo ke Perdana Menteri Gram Sadak Yojana. Ke jing tap tender nak benta ke ba ar kata ha Umden Sonapur ke ba laipo pra kilometer kan sedang hakashiteng Jong ubnai nok pra. Ubak Siem lo penpau ia ke jing songu ia ke sorkar jela bat kubur ia ke jing angnur Jong kipat ba ban pendap ia ke Surok.
30 kilometer, the state government has accorded administrative approval and sanction for an amount of 49 crore 53 lakh 70,500 rupees, and the length of the road is 20 kilometer. The sanction has been accorded since the month of October, 10 of October 2024 through PMGSY3 batch 1, and for an amount of 47 crore 20 lakh. That is the amount that has been sanctioned. And for the second part, from Umden to Sonapur, the tender also has been called, where most probably by first week of December, they will be awarded to the firm or the contractor who have fulfilled all the criteria.